What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Poor Investor, and today I will be talking about Chia and specifically Vosk Coin and his Tails Edition Evergreen miners and how profitable they are, and you guys are just missing out. I mean, you guys have like just completely missed the mark on profiting with the Evergreen miner, because right now, if you don't buy one out of your own pocket, using your own money, you're gonna lose out. That's it. Why? Because the price of Chia is going up. And some of you guys have already said, oh, he only talks about it when the price goes down. Well, the price is up today. $32.90. Oh, $33. It just hit, guys. It just hit. We are on a trend of going up. Probably only because Bitcoin is like near its all-time high. Come on. 60 grand maybe around 3 years ago. 2021 at 64,000. 51 at the mark right now. It's coming back. It's coming alive. Really alive. Crazy times, right? But not to say some of you guys have noticed that every crypto follows the trend of Bitcoin. More transactions, more trading, more selling off, converting them over to Bitcoin. It's always the case. Always. Not surprised with Chia itself. A couple of news on the Chia bandwagon was that Bram jumped on the Discord announcing that he's going to have some kind of game. But apparently I don't think it has any association with XCH whatsoever. All right, so I'm not even going to talk about that. But let's talk about what I came here to really talk about, which was how profitable you would be buying the Evergreen miner, and more specifically, the Vosk Coin edition ones, right? Because you got this nice, cool card right there that you can, you know, do whatever the hell you want with it. But let's go into the details, because I woke up this morning and I found this article. Well, I found this Reddit post, and I was like, my goodness, the comments on this is crazy. And notice, no one even upvoted this thing, which traditionally on the Chia Reddit forum, you know, there's usually at least one upvote. And this had totally none. Either that or equaled out because everyone else downvoted. But let's read into a little bit more. So I received my Chia Farmer from Evergreen, C3 times 16 terabytes a month ago, and I've compiled my experience in the post below. I'd like to hear your opinion on the device. If you already own a similar device, it would be very helpful if you can compare it with mine. Thank you. All right, so we're going to open this one up, but we're not going to look at it yet. We're going to look at it after I read you some of the fine comments that some people had here. All right, so let's start off with Vosk constantly showing Evergreen is bad enough. Now his editor. These guys never would have touched Chia if it weren't for the handed thousands of dollars in hardware. That is so true. That is so true. Where's your JBot? Built a plotter? Try your own plot compression? No, none, never. These guys don't care about Chia. They care about referral profits. You can build your own rig for way less than Evergreen, but they haven't done a single video to show how. I wonder why that is. Totally agree. I mean, this guy got 9 upvotes. And this one, this is fucking dumb. 14 upvotes. Remind you, all right? I'm reminding you that this post alone got 0 upvotes. Prayer profit $8.80 USD after receiving the $13.99 kit for free. Anyone can boast about profits when you don't have to pay anything for it, all right? Well, we don't think like this. Thanks for sharing. Upvote. I've never heard of Vosk Coin before, and if the editors write like that, I can see why. This is amazing. Let's dive a little deeper into this blog post that Vosk Coin on the Vosk Coin forum, discussion panel, website, whatever you want to call it. All right, let's see right here. Setting up the farming. I mean, how difficult can that be? Connect to the hard drive, plug it in, turn it on, do shit, do nothing. Download the wallet app, back up your seed phrases, make sure your phone is charged, And the evergreen is in the same network. Find your farmer using the app. Oh, challenging right there. That's the biggest challenge right there. Follow the instructions, set it up, and start farming. Blah, blah, blah. All right. What's so special about the evergreen Vosk Coin Tail Edition miners? Well, they're orange. That's the only thing. Oh, well, and plus you line Vosk Coin's pockets with more cash because you're buying his edition of the evergreen miner. So it's the ever orange miner when you're referring to the Vosk Coin one. Some of you guys are going to say that I'm hating. I'm not hating. I'm just saying I'm not the only one. Apparently, you see in the comments here, everyone is like, "What? Why? Why? What are you doing? What is it that you're providing? Nothing." It's almost like some of you guys coming onto my channel commenting like, "You provide no value to Chia. All you do is talk negatively about it." Well, that's my opinion. I am still a farmer. And if you haven't noticed, actually, check that out. That shit looks amazing, isn't it? I mean, all those RGB. That's a RX 580. Off topic. Off topic. Let me just get back onto this. Of course, here, until now, I received 0.32 cents XCH, which is worth approximately 10 USD instead of an estimated revenue of approximately around 13.75 US. It's crazy because this person actually goes through the entire how much he makes profit. He talks about the profit. Talks about the low energy consumption of 30 watts for the stack of $1,300 or $1,400 evergreen miners. He's talking about profits. And, you know, it's crazy because if you scroll down to the comments, you read it, and they're like, so based on your energy consumption plus the price of the evergreen miners and your profit, it'll take you 11 years to break even. Apparently so. Appreciate you sharing this evergreen miner Vosk Coin Tails Edition kit review, Joel. I think the big standout performance here is the earning versus power consumption. Unfortunately, HDD and plug and play products carry a premium. That is right. Buying these evergreen miners is not to say that it's not worth your while if you want to just plug it in and not do crap. All right, nothing technical. If you don't want to think for yourself, then it's fine. You're just don't expect a return ever, if ever. Okay. High from the earnings of my machine, it seems so. Make it around 22 years when the halving happens. That is true. It will take about double the time, especially after the halving, if the price doesn't go any further, which is at $32.99, $33.06 now. Oh my goodness, what is going on? All-time high? Whew. Far, far from it. I think even if it halves, some of you guys have really high expectations of the halving. Like, if it halves, the price will triple or double. I don't even know how you come to that conclusion. But in a lot of other people's theory is that when it's halving, that means it's half the price of what it's worth now, which is going to be like 15 bucks, if 15. So my prediction of going down to 15 is pretty much that. Why did I kept saying a year ago? Because the price was hovering around $20, $28. And I knew halving was coming. So cut that in half. I was already giving it too much value into the cost of the price of XCH at $15 already. But some of you are anticipating back up in the hundreds. Where is that coming from? I'm not sure. The fact that XCH has been standing on the $30 mark for this long is even surprising to me. Like, where is this valuation coming from? Now, a lot of people are still saying, oh, when it goes IPO. IPO has been in talks for years now, and it hasn't happened. Nor do I see it happening anytime soon. Only because the SEC regulating crypto, we got a long way to go before that even happens, in my honest opinion. So I'm just here to share my thoughts. And honestly, if you don't feel like I'm bringing anything of value to you, then by all means, you can comment below and let me know what it is that you want to hear. right? Because obviously you're coming here and you want to learn more, or you want to talk about Chia, and you're for it. But when someone speaks their own mind about it, you get all defensive. So, you know, it's like, what do you want me to do? Shill it? You want me to shill it? You want me to be the next Vosk Coin to shill it? And then you'll be all happy, like, oh, here you go. There's someone talking positive about it. It's gonna go up in price. I'm gonna buy his evergreen miner, and I'll be good for life. I'll be set 22 years from now. 22 years from now. Guys, I want to thank you for being here. Please remember to hit that like, comment, subscribe. Do expect more videos coming out in regards to Chia and my personal hardware, lifestyle, PC, cybersecurity, you name it. Everything under the sun, I'm going to be talking about it. Thank you. And remember, hit that subscribe button down below. See you guys again soon. Bye.